Hi, my name is Madison Luca, and this is Tornado TV. Students, we are looking for peer tutors. You will receive community service hours for helping out. Please contact Ms. Jolson if you are interested. djolson@usd.net. We have tutoring for our students. Please check out the attached math tutoring schedule. There is math athletic tutoring as well. We also have peer tutoring for all the other subjects in the library. This will be held on Tuesdays and Thursdays after school, and athletic tutoring will be taking place 6th period Wednesdays and Fridays at the library. Seniors, Grad Night will be held at Disneyland this year. Grad Night is going to be on June 11th, 2022. Tickets are $200 and can be purchased in the student store. The Disneyland ticket includes entrance into California Adventure. Were you a cute baby? Show the yearbook. Send your baby picture to lnoc8794@usd.net or drop off the photo in room 11217. Please turn it in ASAP. Seniors, it's time to submit your senior quotes. Your quote should be no more than 180 characters, and your quotes need to be written in English. There should be no hate speech. Look around for the flyers around the school to scan the QR code. That's it for now. Make sure to follow us on Instagram @TornadoTimesHHS. Be responsible, respectful, and engaged. We are Hoover.